So this is the question number 11 from CBSE sample paper midterm 2021, and this question comes under the topic file handling in Python. And the question goes like this: out of the following statements, which one is incorrect in the context of binary files? So four statements have been given to you and you need to tell which one is incorrect in the case of binary files. In order to answer this kind of question, first of all, we need to be aware of what are the binary files and what are the certain characteristics related to it. First thing first, जो binary files हैं, they are made up of non-human readable characters, and these files are stored in a computer in the sequence of bytes. Since these files are stored in the sequence of bytes, hence there is no need of the data translation. Why? Because computer require the data in the binary format, and the binary file itself is giving the data in the binary format. Hence, there is no need of translation of data. This is the important point to note down here is there is no delimiter in the binary file. There is no delimiter in the binary file. What are the delimiter? Delimiter basically are the kind of punctuators you can say which separates the data in a file. Okay. In comparison to text file, binary files take less time because while reading and writing operation, there are some delimiters in the text file, but in the case of binary files, there are no such delimiters. Hence, the binary files क्या है आपकी faster than text file. Okay. अब आप लोगों के लिए क्वेश्चन है यू नीड टू टेल अस इन द कमेंट बॉक्स व्हाई आर देयर नो डिलिमिटर्स इन बाइनरी फाइल व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट रीजन बिहाइंड द फैक्ट कि हमारे बाइनरी फाइल्स के अंदर डिलिमिटर नहीं है ओके देन देयर इज वन मोर थिंग पाइथन की अगर मैं बात करूं टू डील विद द बाइनरी फाइल्स वी हैव द पिकल मॉड्यूल अब क्या काम करता है आपका जो कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है पाइथन के अंदर इट यूज फॉर सीरियलाइजिंग एज वेल एज डीसीरियलाइजिंग ऑफ दोस डाटा ओके तो पाइथन बेसिकली जो पिकल मॉड्यूल है आपका दो मेथड्स प्रोवाइड कराता है फॉर बाइनरी फाइल फर्स्ट वन इज लोड अनदर वन इज डंप तो लोड किसके लिए हो गया आपका बेसिकली पिकलिंग के लिए और डंप क्या हो गया आपका राइटिंग के लिए बेसिकली ठीक है तो लोड क्या हो गया बेसिकली आपका रीडिंग के लिए एंड और डंप किसके लिए हो गया आपका राइटिंग के लिए Now coming back to our question, now let's read the statements one by one and we'll try to answer which one is the correct and which one is incorrect in case of this question. So first option is information is stored in the same format in which the information is held in the memory. So this statement seems to be correct. Why? Because जिस फॉर्मेट में डाटा स्टोर हो रहा है उसी फॉर्मेट में इंफॉर्मेशन आपकी स्टोर करी जा रही है मेमोरी के अंदर यानी दैट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बाइट्स ओके no character translation takes place. This is also correct because since data is already in the binary format, there is no requirement of character translation. Every line ends with a new line character. This is not wrong. This is not correct. Why? Because in Python, अगर मैं बात करूं या sorry in binary file there is no delimiter. Since there is no delimiter, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? स्पेस के लिए कोई कैरेक्टर नहीं होगा, न्यू लाइन के लिए कोई कैरेक्टर नहीं होगा. All everything is in the binary format. And the fourth one is pickle module is used for reading and writing. This is also correct because reading के लिए क्या है आपके पास load function और writing के लिए क्या है आपके पास dump function. I hope this makes sense. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment box. I hope it gives you the good knowledge about the binary file and it also suggests you to the type of question that we can get from the binary file. Okay guys, then that's it for the day.